So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to format text as a title on the Google Docs mobile application. So if you were to go ahead and type right here, and let's just say I want to do title text like this, double tap the text that you want to turn into a title. Go to this middle bar, go to the far right, press the A with the line below it, then go to where it says style, normal text, and select that. Then when you just scroll down to the bottom, you can select title, and all of a sudden now your text has changed to a title. I guess another way you can do it as well is to just type in text right here, do whatever you have to do. Press A. You can also go ahead and just get rid of that, and you can just change the size as well and make it a title size and kind of go along with it that way. So that is how you guys can format text as a title on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.